Imagine living in a world where your happiness isn't tied to the affection you receive from others. A world where external validation doesn't define your emotional state. This is the reality that Stoicism, an ancient philosophy, teaches us. Stoicism empowers us to find inner peace and happiness regardless of our external circumstances. In the realm of love and relationships, we often crave attention and affection from others, believing that it is the key to our happiness. However, Stoicism introduces a counterintuitive approach. By focusing on self-improvement, fostering emotional independence, and appreciating the present moment without attachment, we inadvertently become more attractive and, ironically, more likely to be missed. In this video, we will explore the Stoic way of living and loving. By embracing the principles of Stoicism, we can not only enrich our lives but also transform our relationships in unexpected ways. Rather than playing games or strategizing our every move, we can make others miss us by becoming beacons of self-sufficiency and contentment. Your support means the world to us, so please stay with us throughout the entire video as we guide you towards a more fulfilling and stoic way of living. In our quest for happiness and fulfillment, it is easy to fall into the trap of seeking external validation. We often measure our worth by the reactions, opinions, and attention we receive from others, especially in personal relationships. However, Stoicism teaches us to focus on what is within our control, our thoughts, actions, and reactions. We must accept what we cannot control, including the feelings and behaviors of others. True contentment and self-worth come from within, not from someone else's approval or attention. When we hinge our happiness on being missed or desired by someone, we give away our power. We become reactive to their actions or lack thereof, leading to a roller coaster of emotions. Stoicism offers us the tools to step off this ride. By cultivating virtues such as wisdom, courage, justice, and moderation, we build a strong and resilient character that finds joy in self-growth and personal achievements. Stoicism does not advocate for emotional detachment, but rather emotional resilience. It encourages us to form healthy, meaningful relationships based on mutual respect and understanding, not on neediness or dependency. By prioritizing self-improvement, we naturally become more intriguing and attractive to others. People are drawn to individuals who are confident, passionate about their pursuits, and content with themselves. Ironically, the less we focus on making someone miss us, the more likely it is to happen because we are living our best, most authentic lives. So let's shift our focus from seeking validation to nurturing our inner world. Let's invest time in learning new skills, exploring new hobbies, and deepening our understanding of who we are and what we stand for. The journey of self-improvement is not only fulfilling in itself, but it also makes us more admirable and, yes, missable in the eyes of others. The goal of Stoicism is not to suppress our desires or deny our need for connections, but to remind us that our happiness and worth are not dependent on them. By anchoring ourselves in the principles of Stoicism, we can enjoy a life of peace, satisfaction, and true independence. At the heart of Stoicism is the understanding that our reactions to external events are within our control, even if the events themselves are not. This principle is incredibly empowering. It means that we hold the key to our emotional state, granting us a level of independence that is liberating. Stoicism teaches us to acknowledge our emotions, understand them, and decide not to let them dictate our actions. It is about focusing on what we can control and letting go of what we cannot. Emotional resilience, according to Stoicism, is not about numbing ourselves to feelings or detaching from the world around us. Instead, it is about accepting life's ebb and flow, understanding that change is constant, and adapting to it. By focusing on our values, goals, and the pursuit of virtue, we cultivate emotional resilience. This resilience comes from active engagement with our inner selves, regularly reflecting on our thoughts, emotions, and responses to life's challenges. Cultivating emotional resilience and independence starts with self-awareness. We must reflect on our thoughts, emotions, and responses to life's challenges. Practicing gratitude, focusing on the present moment, and engaging in activities that align with our core values are also important. We must challenge our perceptions and ask ourselves whether our emotional responses are based on current realities or outdated beliefs. As we embrace Stoicism, we learn to navigate life's storms by becoming our own lighthouse. This journey towards independence and emotional resilience is not a solitary one. It is enriched by the wisdom of those who walked this path before us. By incorporating Stoic principles into our lives, we find that our capacity for joy, strength in adversity, and ability to maintain balanced relationships all grow exponentially. The Stoic philosophers, such as Seneca, Marcus Aurelius, and Epictetus, emphasize the importance of living a life aligned with one's own nature and the nature of the universe. Meaning is found not in external successes or material possessions, but in the cultivation of virtue, wisdom, and integrity. It is about contributing to the common good, engaging in community, and developing relationships based on respect and understanding. Creating a meaningful life involves a deep dive into our inner selves. It requires us to identify our values and live by them, even in the face of challenges or societal expectations. Stoicism offers a compass in this introspection, urging us to consider the intentions behind our actions. Are we acting out of virtue or a desire for external validation? Stoicism teaches us about the impermanence of external conditions and the importance of focusing on what remains within our control. This perspective liberates us from trying to control the uncontrollable and directs our energies towards where we can truly make a difference: our own attitudes, choices, and responses to the world around us. Creating a meaningful life is less about what we achieve and more about how we live and the mindset with which we approach our days. Embracing a Stoic approach to life means accepting that suffering and setbacks are natural parts of the human experience. Instead of perceiving them as obstacles to our happiness, we can view them as opportunities for growth, resilience, and a deeper understanding of life's complexities. It is about finding meaning in overcoming challenges, learning from them, and moving forward with a strengthened spirit and a more compassionate heart. Creating a meaningful life involves small daily acts as much as grand gestures. It is found in the kindness we show to others, the integrity with which we conduct our work, and the passion we bring to our pursuits. It is in the moments we take to reflect on our place in the universe, appreciate nature, engage in acts of self-care, and foster connections with others. These acts, grounded in Stoic principles, weave together to form a tapestry of a well-lived life. The Stoic journey towards a meaningful life is not a solitary endeavor. It is a path we walk together, supporting each other through shared wisdom and experiences. By anchoring our lives in Stoicism, we equip ourselves with the tools to not only face life's challenges, but to thrive amidst them. We find joy, purpose, and meaning in every step of the journey. The Stoics recognized early on that much of our frustration, anxiety, and despair stem from our insistence on controlling the uncontrollable. We often expend tremendous energy trying to shape circumstances, outcomes, and even other people to our will, only to find that much of it is beyond our reach. Embracing Stoicism's guidance on relinquishing the desire for control doesn't mean we become passive observers of our own lives. Instead, it is about focusing our efforts on the arena where we can make a difference: our internal world. Letting go of the desire for control involves accepting the natural flow of events. It is about understanding the difference between our efforts and their outcomes. While we can strive to influence the former, the latter often falls outside our direct influence. This perspective places effort in a healthier perspective. When we align our actions with our values and detach from specific outcomes, we engage with life more wholly and authentically. Letting go of the desire for control means embracing flexibility and adaptability. It means being open to the unexpected, finding the courage to face uncertainties with a calm mind and an open heart. It is about learning to respond to life's challenges with grace, viewing them as opportunities for personal growth and self-discovery. As we incorporate this Stoic principle into our lives, we find that our perspective on happiness, success, and fulfillment begins to shift. We discover that true contentment comes not from external accolades or possessions, but from living in accordance with our deepest values and virtues. In this discovery lies the key to a life of profound meaning and joy. To make someone miss you badly, according to Stoic principles, it is essential to focus on cultivating a sense of individuality and personal growth. This means investing time and energy into developing your own passions, skills, and interests. By immersing yourself in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment, you naturally radiate an aura of confidence and self-sufficiency, making you more attractive to others. Additionally, Stoicism emphasizes the importance of practicing emotional independence. Instead of relying on external validation or attention from others for your happiness, Stoics advocate for finding inner peace and contentment. By nurturing your own emotional well-being, you become less dependent on others for your sense of worth, ultimately making you more desirable and intriguing. Stoicism also encourages the cultivation of healthy, meaningful relationships based on mutual respect and understanding. Rather than playing games or strategizing to make someone miss you, Stoics believe in forming connections built on genuine connection and appreciation. By embodying virtues such as empathy, honesty, and kindness, you create a strong foundation for lasting relationships that naturally evoke a sense of longing when you're not around. In summary, Stoicism teaches us that by focusing on self-improvement, emotional independence, and fostering genuine connections, we become more missed and desired by others. This approach emphasizes the importance of individuality, personal growth, and healthy relationships, ultimately leading to a more meaningful and fulfilling life. To truly make someone miss you badly, Stoicism also emphasizes the importance of maintaining a sense of mystery and unpredictability in your interactions. By not always being readily available or easily accessible, you create a sense of anticipation and intrigue. This doesn't mean playing mind games or intentionally being distant, but rather striking a balance between being present and allowing space for individual growth and independence. Another aspect to consider is the power of genuine, heartfelt compliments. Stoics understand the value of expressing appreciation and admiration for others in a sincere and meaningful way. By acknowledging and vocalizing the unique qualities and strengths of the person you want to be missed by, you create a deeper emotional connection and leave a lasting impression. Moreover, Stoicism teaches us the importance of practicing effective communication. It is vital to express your own thoughts, feelings, and needs openly and honestly, while also actively listening and empathizing with the other person. This level of mutual understanding and vulnerability fosters a strong emotional bond and increases the likelihood of being missed. To truly make someone miss you badly, Stoicism suggests being authentic and true to yourself. By embracing your unique qualities and staying true to your values, you create an aura of genuineness that is highly attractive. Avoid pretending to be someone you're not, or putting on a facade to impress others. Instead, focus on cultivating a strong sense of self and radiating confidence in who you are. Furthermore, Stoicism encourages the practice of mindfulness and being fully present in the moment. When interacting with others, give them your undivided attention and listen actively. Show genuine interest in their thoughts, feelings, and experiences. This level of engagement deepens connections and makes others feel valued and appreciated. In addition, Stoicism emphasizes the importance of self-care and maintaining a healthy balance between personal priorities and relationships. Taking time for yourself and pursuing your own interests not only promotes personal growth, but also creates a sense of independence and fulfillment. This self-assuredness is naturally attractive and may make others miss your presence. Lastly, Stoicism teaches us the significance of patience and resilience. Relationships require time and effort to flourish, and it's essential to embrace the journey rather than rushing for immediate results. Maintain a positive mindset, even in challenging times, and trust that the bond you create will deepen over time. In conclusion, according to Stoic principles, making someone miss you badly involves focusing on personal growth, emotional independence, and fostering genuine connections. By investing in your own passions and interests, practicing self-care, and cultivating healthy relationships, you naturally become more attractive and desirable to others. Additionally, maintaining a sense of mystery and unpredictability, expressing genuine compliments, practicing effective communication, and being authentic contribute to making someone miss you. Patience and resilience are also key, as relationships require time to develop and deepen. By embodying these Stoic principles, you can create a more meaningful and fulfilling life.